Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. It is April 15th. I'm just going to look on the calendar because today has been crazy for me. I'm actually going live because my phone has been ringing off the hook um, all morning, all day long. With me answering questions regarding stimulus payments, where money is gone. If you are a tax preparer, jump on because I definitely want your input or any knowledge that you have at the same time. I'm sure your phone has been ringing off the hook as well, especially if you use EPS, which is one of the major banks to transfer money as far as advancements. It's through MetaBank. So a lot of you that received cash advances, this is going to be almost talking directly to you. If you receive cash advances again, and probably let me give me a few minutes to let everyone hop on. If you are on and I prepared your taxes, go ahead and feel free to leave any comments or ask any questions in this live because I will be answering questions. But the whole purpose of this live right now is to kind of address what's been going on as far as stimulus payments. Lots of individuals have gotten deposits today. Some of you have went on the website, irs.gov, that's actually running at the bottom of the screen, and check the status of your stimulus deposit. You've seen that your money is deposited to an account that you have no idea what that number is. So that's kind of what we're going to talk about right now. Um, Again, if you have any questions, feel free to hit them up. If you are a tax preparer and you have different information, feel free to jump on this live and leave me a comment. But I'm just going to talk a little bit about what I have gotten the information from my banking institute regarding stimulus money and how it's being rerouted if it went to a wrong account. So if you are watching, go ahead and tag your tax preparer because I do want tax preparers to get on this, especially if you can shed some light and answer some questions to some of your clients. But I have been a tax preparer for the last 15 years. Taxes is a multiple stream of income for me, but also a strong passion because it feels good to be able to place funds in my clients' homes and make sure they get the maximum refund every year, as well as not overpaying if they need to overpay. Through my time of doing taxes, I've never experienced anything like what we're going through right now as far as stimulus payments. So what I'm saying is new to me, and you're going to be experiencing some new things just like I am. So what we're going to do is get through this together, learn together, and all we can do is be patient and allow these stimulus checks to fall in place as IRS has said they are coming. So if you are listening, we are addressing the economic impact payments, okay? If your tax preparer used MetaBank, which is EPS, if you got any kind of advance in 2019 or 2018, it's likely that your money was deposited to a temporary holding account that EPS is aware of. So what I'm going to do is literally read, you see right behind me is literally read to you what they have sent to me, as well as I'm sure to lots of other tax preparers, okay? So if you're watching, your tax preparers out there, tag them because I do want their input as well. I'm sure their calls have been coming in all day like mine have. But this letter states that the IRS has started distributing the money. A lot of individuals have gotten money today, okay? There are lots of indicators to where your money was going. If you had a bank product throughout your tax season, IRS is using that information to ensure that payments will not be sent to a refund transfer bank as EPS. However, EPS has realized that payments have been inadvertently distributed to their temporary accounts. They are aware of this and the payments have been returned to the IRS so they can be redistributed to the individual. They have sent out a notice saying that these payments should not have been deposited to their bank. They are aware. They have an automated process that's put in place right now to return the payments as quickly as possible to IRS so they can be delivered to the proper person. Okay, neither EPS, which is a division of MetaBank. So if you have those prepaid cards and MetaBank is on the back of it, most likely you're under EPS or another banking product of where you process your taxes to. But they don't have any information for you, nor does your tax preparer can access these payments. If I'm speaking wrong and you're a tax preparer and you have access stimulus payments for any of your clients, please let me know and share that information with other tax preparers, okay? So what is happening is money is being rerouted back to IRS. If you went on irs.gov and you clicked on my payment and you noticed that it said money was deposited for you today and an account number that you don't know, it's mainly because you used a banking product and that your money went into that vanity temporary account, which they are aware of, and money will be rerouted, okay? If you're interested in having this email sent directly to you, go ahead and just drop your email address in the comments, and I will forward the same information as I get it to you so we are all up to date. One of the things that's on this letter is it says, if my economic impact payments has been returned to the IRS, what are the next steps? What are the next steps? Number one, they are processing. It's a process in place to quickly return the money. Our system and agents have no visibility of the payments. So don't stress yourself blowing up the phones of your tax preparers, okay? We don't have visibility. The bank, MetaBank, has no visibility, okay? They have already automatically put something in place to transfer the money. So I just want to make sure I say that multiple times so you understand. It typically takes IRS 7 to 10 days to have visibility that the money has been refunded. So you can contact IRS for directly further details. Again, your tax preparer nor EPS MetaBank has no information right now other than those funds have already been sent back. If you're listening, you're probably smiling and laughing and joking. I mean, on the flip side, to say, yeah, right, get in touch with IRS. It is difficult. It is difficult right now. They may answer, they may not answer. It could be a long hold. I've tried it several times and have not gotten through. But the information is running across the bottom of the screen, as well as their phone number. I want to just put their phone number out there for you. It is 800-829-1040. The payments will be distributed directly from the IRS, okay? IRS will handle distributing these payments directly to you. You can go to their website and see if you can update anything. However, there is, again, nothing that tax professionals can do to make this money come faster to you, okay? So this message is really just to help bring some understanding. If you're sitting, if you notice that your money was deposited and you did not get it, that is why. Most likely you had a banking product, you got an advance, you got your money back in the 7 to 10 days. This is making your refund being diverted to another account that is being corrected as we speak. So share this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, I'm available, have been available, open year round to answer any questions. But as related to this, I cannot answer how long it's going to take for your money to come. But I can tell you that it is on the way. If you still need to do taxes, feel free to give me a call. I am doing virtual appointments, as well as creating some information email blast that I can send out to you regarding the loans that are available. So if you're interested in being part of my email blast list, again, drop your email here and I will reach out to you. I hope this live shed a little light, gave you some information. Um, and that's it. That's it for right now. So give me a call if I can be of any of assistance. 407-486-0993. You can also text me. It will take sometimes a little bit to get back to you, but I promise you, if you text, if you call, if you email, you are in my route, okay? You will not be waiting forever, but at the most, it could be up to 24 hours. I'm very busy and slammed right now, but all of you are very important to me. If you're my tax client and you've been trying to reach out to me, I'm sorry. I was wanting to make sure we get lots of information to share to you. Now that I have it, I hope this helps. I will be back if I have any more information. And again, let's get through this together, move forward. And I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful day. See you later. Bye-bye.